sorry guys, my mom and my sister are talking in the background. But this is the second part of the slime pet peeves. Oh, sorry for my rag, I was cleaning up. So we were talking about the bubbles when they don't pop them. Let's try this slime. Oh, that slime had bubbles on the top. I should have popped them. Well, oh, this one won't make bubbles. Okay, let's try this once again. What I'm doing for the slime pet peeve, make a bubble. There we go. Is where they just go. I don't even bother popping it, and it's so hard for me because like this is such a good slime. So let's do one more slime pet peeve like this. Okay guys, so this is my slime that makes the best bubbles ever. So yeah, let's just make a bubble. Well, that one didn't. That first try didn't work. Okay. So yeah. Okay, the next slime that bothers me so much is when people use one finger. Okay, so let me find my slime that I poke with one finger. Okay, this one's actually really good slime. That's from using it. Let me mix this up some. It's kind of sticky on the bottom. Okay, now we can do it. Okay, guys, so this slime is so good. Get it from here from another angle. Ow, I just hurt my finger. Ow, my finger. Such a good sign. Okay, so that was the next one, pet peeve. There, like with one finger. And, sorry, I'll keep falling. And the next one, pet peeve that I'm actually going to be doing is when the foam keeps falling down. Okay, so let me put that slime back in there. Now let's get my slime out. This one's actually pretty good. Okay, close that slime container. Close. Okay, guys, so this is my slime. Oh, sorry.